Hello, I am Pierre, the developer of Subs Factory. Today I would like to show you how to resynchronize subtitles with a video. So here I have an example video with a subtitles file that is not synchronized. So the first thing to do is to open Subs Factory. Then we can add both files in Subs Factory. Here you can see that nothing is synchronized.
Well, it's late. If you'd gotten up earlier.
Oh, look, I already...
So far, we have been unable to determine.
Okay, so what we have to do is to find two subtitles and the location where they should be. Preferably, we should use one near the beginning of the video and one near the end. So let's go near the beginning of the video. I know that they don't speak at the beginning, but a bit later maybe.
At you, Barbara.
Stop it! You're ignorant.
You're ignorant, for example.
Stop it! You're ignorant.
Oh. I just paused at the end of the sentence. As it will be the end of the subtitle, I should add an out marker. So I can just press O on the keyboard or just click here to create an out marker. Now she just said something about ignorant. So we have to search for this word in the subtitles to find the correct subtitles. Stop it, you're ignorant. That's exactly what she said. So it's subtitle number 53. So we can rename the marker as 53 just to remember the number of the subtitle, but it's not mandatory. Now we know that subtitle number 53 should be at this position. Now let's go to the end of the movie and do the same for another sentence.
Two people are dead already on account of that guy.
On account of that guy. So he just finished the sentence here. And on account of that guy, here is subtitle 910. So we can also name it, remember. So now we just have to push the resync button. We want to resynchronize all subtitles, but we could also resynchronize only some by selecting the first and the last, or the beginning time and the end time we want to resynchronize, but we want to resynchronize all for now. And the subtitle number 53 should be at the marker named 53 that we just put, and the subtitle number 910 should be at the marker 910. By default, the first and last markers are selected. So now we have said what we want, and we just have to go, and everything should be resynced. You see, on account of that guy is just before the marker.
On account of that guy.
And we can go anywhere and it should be synchronized.
All right, now you tell me. I'm not going to take that kind of a chance when we got a safe place.
If this is not the case, maybe your video and your subtitles are not matching, for example, due to advertising cuts or things like that. So in this case, you should repeat the operation, but a block of subtitles by block of subtitles, and to resync them differently. Now the last thing to do would be to export the newly resynchronized file, the same format as input. And I can say that it has been resynchronized. And that's it. Have a great day.